Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm in my car and I have this brand's hydrogen water bottle. I kind of opened it up a little bit and got the pieces and parts out, and I'll show you what it is and how it kind of works. Had to try to figure it out myself a little bit first. So we have the water bottle here, and you see it's got, this is where it will turn on the screen. Back here is our charging cable, so it's going to charge back here through a USB-C connection. And then here we go. So here we have the water bottle. You can see it's got some water in it, and I can open it up either side. Up here, oop, that way is a little bit trippy, but okay. So I have that side, and then I have this side here to do it, to fill it as well. Okay, so I'll show you guys what we've got. So the way it works to generate the hydrogen is we'll turn this button on here. We'll hold it for a few seconds here. Let's see, now we have a 5-minute hydrogen producing system here, and you see it's bubbling here, right? You see the bubbles? So that's what it does, and it's changing colors because it looks pretty. I guess that's the prettiness of it. So it changes colors, so it'll look good on your desk at work or in the car, whatever. It fits in my little bottle holder here in my car, so I can fit it in my car as I'm going or whatever. I can have it wherever I want. So that is cool. So I got 4 minutes left, but I want to show you, and it also has a little battery indicator here, so it's got 2 bars left. I guess I've used it already. And then you can drink the hydrogen whenever you're done, and it's supposedly good for you. Another feature that it has, and I kind of saw it comes with this little rubber top, and then this whole apparatus here. So the way it'll work, do I have glasses on my head? Nope, okay. So you can put this around your face, up into your nose, right? So just to make it a little easier to breathe. So I can still breathe through it fine, it's just got little ones. And then I can take off the top of this and put on the little rubber cap for it. And now I'll be just breathing hydrogen, air, bubble, water, whatever, clear oxygen, I guess, as it's going through and doing whatever it does. So that's kind of cool. So I could be getting the little health benefits of that. So maybe after a run on my drive home or something like that, I would want to do this just so I can kind of have just a little bit fresher air, I guess. So, I mean, I have it right in my face, but okay, and it's not uncomfortable, whatever. But that's it. But really, most reason I have it is for the drinking part of it. So when it's done hydrogenating and doing whatever it needs to do, you can drink it just by opening this top here, or if you want, let me just turn it off so it stops going. You can turn it over here. I just have a glass on your desk, so just drink it as you go throughout the day. There you go. Tastes just like tap water for me, especially because it's only on for 30 seconds or so. You get the idea. So how cool is this? So if you need some good hydrogenated water, supposedly it's makes nice, good stuff for you. So give it a shot. Very good. Thumbs up.